Hi friends, today we are at Guelph Driving Test Center and we are going to go to G test route today, and they have got two separate routes. We are going to go to both the route one by one. We're going to go to route number 1 and make sure you park your car at the back of the building. Don't park in the front. And we go to route number 1 and we'll start from the center and we'll go towards the arrow road. We'll take a left here. They can take you right also, but we're going towards the left. And make sure you look around here because there are so many cars around here weekdays, so look around everywhere. We'll take a right on Arrow Road here. There's no stop sign, but you just make sure you stop here and check both sides and then turn to the right side. Then we'll take a right on Woodlawn Road. It's a red light, just make sure stop it completely on the red light. Yeah, see, one car is coming, wait for the car. And then examiner will tell you whenever it's safe to do so, change lane to left. Look back, look blind spot, look mirror, MSB, then change it to left and go straight here. See, light is red, make sure stop here at the white line and look both sides. Even if the light is red or green, we have to check everywhere. And then next traffic light, which is highway 6, we'll take a left from there. It's called Hanlon Parkway also, and we will check again blind spot, mirror signal blind spot check, and then go here. Then the examiner will tell you take a left from this traffic light, and then we are going to highway. On highway here speed limit is 70. 70 meaning is 16, 5 to 70, not 71. Don't exceed the speed limit. Yeah, we can go left here. We'll take left to the first lane here, right? And then speed up. Don't change in at slow speed. Speed up between 60 and 70. And then MSB again, check on the right side. See this railway track here? Make sure check both sides. Don't slow down, just check both sides. Move your neck around here and check it. And speed limit is 70. Don't exceed speed limit. And here examiner will tell you a couple of times when it's safe to do so, change it to left. When it's safe to do so, change it to right. Like just listen to examiner. When it's safe to do so, then only change it. Don't stop two cars behind you and then change it. See this again railway track. Check both sides, left, right, like this. Yeah, it's a highway with the traffic lights, so you have to stop in between also, maybe. And when you're standing at the traffic light, look everywhere, look on the side, who is coming in your way. Yeah, light is green, again check both sides and then leave. Yeah, again speed limit is 70, go between 65 and 70. Don't exceed speed limit. Then examiner will tell you next traffic light, we will take a right. That's a Willow road. Next traffic light is a Willow road. The right indicator again, MSB, mirror signal blind spot, look back and go into this lane. and turn right on Willow Road. On Willow Road, they have a yield sign. If somebody is coming from any side, you have to stop for them. If no one is coming, then you don't have to really stop. And best make sure you check everywhere, okay? Look back and you can merge inside here, okay? And then we'll take right from the first street is called Marksam Road. And in this street, speed limit is 40. And when you're going through this street, make sure you look everywhere in the small streets. Anybody can jump in front of you, so make sure that keep on looking everywhere in the whole street. Yeah, look everywhere, every street, just keep on looking. All these streets you have to check. Make sure you keep an eye on the pedestrian also, all the hazards. See, it's written here 40 area ends, so it's 40 limit end here. We'll take a right from here on Speedvale Avenue West. First stop here completely. See anyone coming? No one coming, we can take a right here. When you take a right here, next traffic light is very critical. So that's a highway again, highway 6. And you don't have to stop there. You have to merge onto the highway at a speed of 70 here. See, remember from this one, 6677 is certain here. We'll take a right here, right indicator, check blind spot gain, and you don't have to stop here. It's 60 here, but 70 on the highway. You have to turn here very, very smoothly, nicely. Don't give any jerk. Speed up here, go to 70, and then merge here. Look back, MSP, and then change it to left. Good, like this. And here again, examiner will tell you a couple of times, change it to left, change it to right. When it's safe to do so, change it to left. When it's safe to do so, change back to right. Like this. And again, change back to left. You're going to do a lot of lane changing in G-test. Always remember that. And then they will take a left from this Willow Road and we'll go to the left lane here. And see, here's a separate left turn signal here. You cannot go left from this signal until that signal is green, even though like a light is green for the straight people, but to go left you have to wait for this light to turn to green. It's a left turn signal, dedicated left turn signal. Yes, we can go and take a left here. Usually we are supposed to be changing lane to right, but sometimes the examiner tell you to take left from this the coming traffic light. So if the examiner say you go there, then you go there. So light is again, it's a Silvercreek Parkway. Just look, both light is green and no one is coming straight, and go left here. See this, we took left here and this only single lane. Just follow the speed limit. Even when you're going straight, don't keep on looking straight like that. Keep on looking at the hazards on the side. Keep on looking everywhere, on the side, back mirror, everything. Because you never know like who can come in front of you. Any hazard can come, right? Just make sure you see everywhere. So it was 50 earlier there, and now it's going to be 60 from Speedvale, I mean the avenue onward, right? So just check and keep on looking all the hazards on the side and follow speed limit. Speed limit is 60. See railway track, check both sides, look both sides. Speed limit is 60 again here. And this any like big road is coming, just have a look around here. Any hazards coming, just look there. See one car is coming out from there, so you can have a just little bit look on that. Don't keep on looking straight. See railway track, check both sides, move your neck here, look, any train coming. And you see trains are coming here too, so don't assume that that's the railway tracks. Lot of trains are coming here too. And we'll go straight there. I know this lane is ending, but we have to turn right into the parking lot from the second entrance. So we'll go here, we'll turn right here. There are a little bit potholes here. Go slowly on here. Usually they fix it fast. They will fix it fast soon. Maybe by the time you will come for the test, this will be fixed. And then they will tell you to park straight there. And this will end your route number 1. Hopefully this is going to help you to pass your test. Okay, hope this video is going to help you to pass your driving test. And if you need any my help, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965. And for exciting video like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.